can take 2 cup mango pulp, 1 cup condensed milk, 2 cup of whipped cream, of course 2 mangoes. We don't have good mangoes, but whatever. In a large bowl, pour condensed milk and of course mango puree and mix it very well, and then keep it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we can cut mangoes in chopped mangoes, like in very small pieces. Make sure they're very small pieces. So mix yellow color in whipped cream and on a high speed whip it until it's smooth, nice and creamy. Don't whip it too much because the more you're gonna whip it, the more it's gonna turn into butter. We don't want the butter texture. We want just the smooth, like ice cream texture. Now mix the whipped cream in a mango puree. Do the fold method, which basically you're just smoothly, see, look at that way, exactly like this. You just start it from the middle and start folding it. Don't be harsh with it because whipped cream is gonna lose its texture, the fluffy, creamy, especially the fluffy ones. So be nice, be gentle, and it's gonna take time, so be patient and keep folding. Now add the mango chunks, half of the mango chunks in the mixture and the rest half of it put it on top with a little bit of shredded coconut. And here you go. Make sure to keep it refrigerated. Don't put it in a freezer if you want the creamy texture, but if you wanted to turn it into ice cream, keep it in the refrigerator about 6 hours. It can taste good both ways. Enjoy!